Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, August 26, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having a breakfast sandwich. For lunch, Salisbury steak. Tomorrow for breakfast, it'll be string cheese and a muffin. For lunch, we'll have pizza. Some announcements. Attendance. Teachers should all have a working attendance page in your homeroom course of Schoology. Please try to submit your attendance in Schoology this morning, as well as documenting it on your paper copy of your class roll. These paper copies of your class roll will be collected at the end of the week. We will let you know how we will go back and handle an electronic version of attendance for the past few days since we've been in school, so stay tuned for that. Today's late duty is Miss Guidry, and tomorrow is Miss Duberg. Important date, September 3rd, the Vector training certificates are due to Nurse Eaton. That's your online health training. It's September 6th. We have Labor Day, no school. The diagnostic schedule. Yesterday and today, Wednesday the 25th and Thursday the 26th, we are taking the iReady reading. As of last night, about 50% of our population had at least started the test, the iReady reading test, so that's a good start, but we need everyone taking that iReady reading test, the diagnostic, because we will be moving on to iReady Math on Monday and Tuesday. Following iReady Math, we will do the HMH growth measure. That will be next Wednesday and Thursday, and the goal is to have all of these assessments complete by next Friday. Some of your students may not have login credentials yet. Have all students that can complete the diagnostic on the schedule. We will accommodate those who can't currently log in as soon as those logins become available. The word of the day is arithmetic patterns. An arithmetic pattern, let's see, we have the numbers 1, 5, 9, and 13. So we're looking for the pattern between those. Arithmetic pattern is a sequence of numbers in which the difference between any two consecutive numbers is the same. So in this sequence, the difference between 1 and 5 is 4, between 5 and 9 is 4, and between 9 and 13 is 4. So in the pattern, we're adding 4 each time. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Shepherd Scholars.